holding a tummy because our mommy wants to, and I want to tell you what are these.
Yes, those are tummy.
So this everything is a tummy we're holding. This my plushie is not a tummy.
Yes,
But we're going to say what is this. This is omega-3. It helps your brain. It makes your brain go faster and work better. And these are Kids Multivitamin Gummies. Kids Multivitamin Gummies. And it's very yummy. Martin already really likes it. And he also has a box mommy buy for him. And mom also buy me a box for me.
And for me,
This is a small box. In there is like omega-3. The omega-3 is in there.
and here,
So it looks like a fish. It looks like a fish. It tastes fine. My feelings taste great.
yeah,
And
it's the best. ATOMY is the best. ATOMY is the best. ATOMY is the best. Yeah. What about it? And it's ATOMY. ATOMY is the best.
ATOMY is the best. Today I am showing you that this is ATOMY, and this is an ATOMY box. It's actually a gummy.
Yes.
You can read this, and
it
is a multivitamin gummy for kids that cannot eat much food and can't sleep that well. And it is very good for kids that can't do like that. That can't eat. It is for can make you eat more and more, and can make you sleep better. Like, it makes you sleep well.
Yeah. And makes
Having a great dream.
Also make you
And
not
this
fat.
is a small pack of gummies. I will show you the gummies. This is a gummy. The gummy. It is the ATOMY gummy. A close look. So this gummy, I'm going to taste it. Even Martin really likes it. I didn't taste it. So I'm going to take a small bit. Not bad.
Yeah.
It's quite yummy.
Yeah. I could eat more.
He really likes it.
I think I'm gonna eat more.
So, thank you, and I hope you enjoyed this video very much.
And like that button, and click that bell, and you can roll it, and
Subscribe, like, hit the bell button, and you will see more videos about us.
Yeah.